All right, so first off, welcome home, Max B. There's going to be a whole lot of people on your body. Please make sure you do not mess up your wave by making too many people jump on your wave. Second, you got to remember, there was a time like in the 90s, there was a rapper named Red Cafe who couldn't really get over the plateau of the commercial crossover. So he was basically known all over through the whole New York as the underground guy. Difference is he had money. Now there's a whole bunch of red cafes doing podcasts.